Not today. Today. Yep, weather doesn't look too good, but we'll see. What's up, everybody? Welcome back. So we're here at Orlando Speed World, and today we have Rob. Rob's gonna run the RS3, the Audi RS3. My car is parked out there. I don't have any plans of running today. I didn't sign up. I have my helmet. I have jeans though, because you never know. But yeah, last time we were here, he ran 12.4 at 109. And that was stock. Today he has a tune, so we shall see. Just a tune. After today is going into stage 2, so full bolt-on tune on 93 and E85. So enjoy. Let's see how it happens.
For the record, I'm done trying to make y'all comfortable. For the record, you ain't trying to grow, then it's done for you. For the record, lab on me going all the way. For the record, ain't trying to link, no time to waste. For the record, 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 for the record. Whoa, 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 whoa.
Versus stock 5.0. Get my gauge, get Rob's tires aired down. He didn't want to before, but I think if he gets him aired down a little bit, he'll be better, because he got that 11.7 60 foot, but I think he's spinning a little bit. It's weird how that system works with the front and the back wheels. So let me get that and let's air his tires down and see what he does next. This is the race I want to see. Rob's gonna have his, I'm pretty sure this is an auto, and I don't know what mods, but it has top tires. All right, Rob.
Fuck. Got slower. How the fuck? So that's it for the night. It was a good day. It was gonna rain and it didn't. The temperature
temperature dropped a little bit. There was no sun, so it wasn't that hot. Right now it's 71 degrees. Rob got 4 passes in, and his best was 11.8 at 115. So with just a tune, he went from 12.4 to 11.8, and from 109 to 115. His 60 foot went from 1.8 to 1.7. So that's pretty cool. RS3, Audi RS3, the different stock versus a tune. And now he's got all the goodies, and he's gonna go to All-Star for full bolt-on and 93 tune and 85 right after that, after we do passes on each. Just to keep recording the process of the car and have fun with it. Yeah, I hope you enjoy those passes, and I'm gonna show you what else we recorded through the night. We went live on Instagram for a little bit. We went live on YouTube for a little bit. Once I figured that out, it was the first time. So when we come back to the track, if one of us is free, we're gonna try to go live on Instagram and on YouTube here and there. See, at least show the street cars or any cool stuff that we see. But yeah, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. If you like it, give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and see you next time. Peace.
Thank you.